Hi, my name is Scott Ryerson with MarineMax in Greenville, and I'd like to do a video walkthrough of our 2019 Sea Ray 230. This boat has the red hull side color with the white hull bottom and the black gel stripe. It has the 6.2 liter, 300 horsepower DTS Mercury inboard outboard, and it also comes with the white sports tower bimini. It has docking lights. It has the blue LED lighting package. Premium stereo upgrade. Submersible platform, it is the manual one. Fender clips, and has the onboard battery charger. Now moving up into the boat, you can see it has the beautiful tan interior with a nice sun pad layout back here. Nice walk through. Very spacious boat. Has the sports captain's chair with the nice bolster. The dual Simrad controls, Fusion stereo control, the nice flip back co-captain's seat over here so you can lean back it either way and lounge or sit forward. Moving up to the bow, nice cup holders down low so you don't spill your drink over. Stereo speakers, very nice big anchor locker. Turning back around, getting a look at the boat from the other view. Very nice, fun family boat. Great cruising boat, rides well, quiet ride technology. Come on out and check out our 2019 Sea Ray 230 SLX at MarineMax, or check us out on MarineMaxGreenville.com. Thank you so much.